Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Go programming language on Windows 11 PC. Go is a 15 years old programming language by Google. So I open my browser and type Go programming language and hit enter. Then go to first link of the Go programming language and then click on download. And for the Windows version, I download Go 1.23.6 Windows AMD 64.msi file. So I click on it. Installer is downloading now. It take few seconds to finish installer download. Download is completed. Now minimize my browser. Double click on installer file. This is the setup wizard of Go programming language. So I click on next button and it is already tick on license agreement. So I click on next and click on next and then click on install. It asks me permission, then I click on yes. So installation is completed. Click on finish button. After complete the installation, then go to desktop and right click on desktop blank space and go to open in terminal, then type go space version. It show me go version and it ensure that Go programming language installed on Windows 11 PC. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily install the Go programming language on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.